clean and heavy power all the way through right now. Well, it's Dual Sport Apocalypse up in the UP. This is going to be my warmest ride of the year so far. I think it's almost 47 degrees. I still have my winter gloves on because I'll probably still get some wind chill. So I did some carb changes. I put a 128 main jet in. I took the 130 out. So I'm going to let this get warmed up a little bit and then I'll test it. There's a dog taking himself for a walk. I gotta tell you, I was in 5th gear and it felt like 4th. So that's a good sign. That's pulling pretty good in 4th. Wow. Really good. I'm down in 3rd now. Oh yeah, it's hauling ass. Lots of power. That made a big difference. I'm not bogging. I was bogging on the high end. That's gone. See if I can describe what I did to the carb, because it seems to be going really good. So I rebuilt the carburetor. My pilot screw was set at 1 1/8 turn. Right now it's set at 2 turns. I had to drill the cap off and then readjust the pilot screw. And then this is a Dynojet Kit. I got the shim in there at the 3rd notch using their needle. And then I put a 130 in, and what happened was I was a little boggy on the top end, and I think the reason for that was because I have the quiet core insert in. So then it was a little bit too much jet. So yesterday I didn't take the carb off. I just loosened it and spun it to the right. So I spun the ass end this way. Removed the bowl. Took off the 130. And then put the 128 in. And it's got plenty of power. In fact, 5th feels like 4th gear right now, that's really new for me. I want to take this road here. See if I can get this log fucker stopped. Log truck. I'd say the carb's tuned. As fast as this bike has moved in a while. Probably get my ass in trouble now. Gonna pull up on someone's house here. I don't want to do that. Well, I haven't felt the slug going in my chest yet, so doing good. Still not out of shotgun range. Boy, they got a hell of a property stuck back in here. Carb is clean and heavy power all the way through right now. There's no spots in the carb where she's lagging. It's smooth all the way up. That's exactly what I wanted. That project's done. So I still got a little bit of a wind chill. It's not 55 below, thank God. It's like 30. I'm gonna take that road. If I can get the old log truck slowed down. I rarely use my front brake. Really snappy. I'm getting 60 mile an hour on this soft dirt road because it's soft, because it's muddy. Yeah, she's definitely got full power now. See if we can find some Sasquatch tracks. Makes you guys probably dizzy and I turn my head side to side, but whoever lives back here, I'm jealous of them. I want to own this property. This is the peppiest this bike has been in a long time. In fact, it's never been this peppy. I've been peppy, but the bike hasn't been peppy. We haven't really met until now. Nice to meet you. I don't know. I guess I already shook its hand when I grabbed the handlebar. Oh, it feels good to ride something that's not snow and ice. This is crazy. This bike has got power now. I'm going to get right down to 20 and then just... That's fifth gear. She's a little snappy now. She's doing the job. They do weddings over in that big barn there, so if anybody wants to get married, I don't recommend it, but if you want to get married, you can go over there. My wife wouldn't recommend it either. She's like, I'm cured, I'll never get remarried again.